Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how you can turn your vinyl fence into a simple yet beautiful privacy screen, giving your plants a place to grow and you some privacy from your neighbors. This project can be completed within a day and needs just a few items, but most importantly, no concrete. We're going to start with our galvanized rail fence brackets, 2 per vinyl post, which we will use to stabilize our boards. By screwing our pressure treated 2x4s into place, this will replace the need to use concrete. We utilize 2x4-inch chicken wire, 3 feet high. There's going to be some overlap and we needed to make 2 layers, but we start by cutting 2 sections of vinyl fence out at a time and then utilize these vertical boards, tack them into place in order to get the fencing to stick. This step was a little bit tricky to get the hang of. We needed 3 people for this step. You can probably do it in 2, but you're going to have to play around with this a little bit to get your chicken wire to stay. Here we level our horizontal board to check the height of our vertical board. Once appropriate, we screw that vertical board into the bracket on the vinyl fence. This board is not going to be cemented to the ground. The bracket holds it in place and does a great job of it. This is held up even through high winds and through weather. Next, we're going to line up the horizontal board, and we want it to end just about midway through our vertical board. So we marked it, cut it, and then utilized 90-degree brackets to screw into place. We then used our staple gun to go in and tack the chicken wire to the top of that horizontal board. We repeat the steps until complete. We planted trumpets all up and down this line, and even though not shown here, it turned out great. It's held up through winter, and it gave us some much needed privacy. Our equipment that we use is listed below. If you have any comments, please reach out. Take care. Have a good day.